All right, this is physical science. We're on the chapter of work and power. And today we're talking about power. Power is the rate at which work is done. Think of it as how fast can I get the same job done. For example, I could have a little tiny smart car that has maybe 100 horsepower. And then I could have a sports car, and maybe it has 400 horsepower. Both cars are going to get me to Fargo. But this one, with this little bit of horsepower all out, maybe it's going to take me 2 hours. Whereas a sports car with 400 horsepower is going to be able to cover the same distance, do the same amount of work. It's just going to be able to do it much, much faster. That's where, example today, it snowed. If we have a snowblower and you have a snowblower that has 1 horsepower and another snowblower that has 5 horsepower, both are going to get your sidewalk, the snow off it. But the 5 horsepower is just going to do it much, much faster. That's what power is. Power is just how fast can I get the same job done? And if we look at the formula for it, it is just work, and that's what we learned about yesterday, was work divided by time. The units for it is watts, and it's joules per second. And remember, joules is really Newton meters because it was force times distance was work. And now all we're doing now is taking it times time. So we're taking work, force times distance, versus how long it takes me to do that. So if we go to our homework for today, and remember that the formula is power is equal to work divided by time. So that's P is equal to W divided by T. If we wanted the other formulas for that, it would be work is equal to power divided by time, and it could also be time is equal to work divided by power. So there are our formulas for that. And then what are the units for power? It's watts. And then these problems we set up just like we have been. My given, there is my joules. I know joules is for work, and there is 1,500 joules. The change in time, how long is that wagon being pulled? 20 seconds. And I want to know what is power. The equation I'm going to use is work divided by time. And so I'm going to have 1,500 joules divided by 20 seconds. And power is equal to 750 watts. So you should be able to do the rest of these problems. The answers are online.